Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 GMC Yukon XL SLT 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9938XX. Only 7,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Onyx black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5 years 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Yukon XL seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead with wireless headphones and remotes in the box. Rear heat and air control. Rear outboard middle row seats are also heated. With the push of a button on the inside of the door, seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again, will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, along with lane departure warning, with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split third row. Folds flat with the push of a button. Can also reverse, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 7,000 miles. Even more safety features like forward collision alert. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the center console. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and height adjustable liftgate controls. Under the hood, this Yukon XL has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. Again, only 7,000 miles on those tires. For more information on this Yukon, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.